Hey, welcome back to another Safemoon crypto episode with Liquid Coin. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest news about why you should buy at least 30 million tokens. Safemoon is a new cryptocurrency. It has piqued the interest of investors looking for the next big altcoin, with the price of Bitcoin still hovering around $30,000 despite a drop in response to a Chinese bank crackdown. Many are looking for other cryptocurrencies with lower prices and potentially higher gains. Safemoon satisfies the lower pricing requirement without a doubt. It presently trades for a fraction of a cent, implying that you may get over $1 million safely with just a few dollars. It also has an unusual hook, charging a fee to anyone who sells and transferring half of that revenue to Safemoon holders, again to favor those who purchase and hold. The current price of the Safemoon token is 0.0000002994 on June 5th, 2021, down by 7.13% in the last few months. I'll explain to you why you need to buy at least 30 million secure tokens in 2 days. This is not cause for fear, because most coins are in decline, with the top cryptocurrency down 5.33% in the last 24 hours. Instead of being concerned about the price, there is another opportunity to buy more tokens. If you believe in this initiative, keep in mind that this is not financial advice, and I will not advise anyone to invest based on this video. I'm only expressing my thoughts about this token. As a result, 30 million Safemoon tokens will only set you back $89.7. Some of you are paying $100 for a lottery ticket that will be in the trip CHS graduate at least with Safemoon. You can hold the coins for as long as you want to win the hope that it will become the worthwhile investment in the future. So many analysts believe this token can trade at 1 cent in 2 to 3 years if these predictions are correct and Safemoon manages to trade. This is enormous. $300,000 is sufficient to establish financial stability wherever in the globe. Some may ask, is anything conceivable in the crypto world? The fact is that anything is possible in the crypto world. Dogecoin, which was previously dismissed as a joke, has unexpectedly skyrocketed in value with the support of Elon Musk. This year, the Doge currency has increased by more than 12,000%. and has been dethroned as the crypto price king by Forbes. If you acquired a Dogecoin at the beginning of the year, you have enjoyed tremendous gains over the previous 7 months. For example, a $1,000 Dogecoin bought on January 1st, 2021 at a price less than a cent per coin would be worth roughly $122,000 when it achieves its all-time high of 72 cents on May 8th. Safemoon is a cryptocurrency that launched in May. The original supply was 1 quadrillion tokens, but the developers burned and destroyed 223 trillion, leaving the launch supply of 777 trillion. It's not listed on the major cryptocurrency exchanges, so most buyers get in on the decentralized PancakeSwap exchange. The basic principle of a Safemoon is a fee for selling it. If you sell your safe, you must pay a cost of 10%, which is allocated as follows. Existing holders receive a 5% redistribution. This fee encourages people to stick with it instead of feeling pressured to sell. When more people hold the token, it will lead to more demand in the market, which will inevitably increase the price. Phone developers also manually burn tokens on a regular basis. They have already burned over 400 trillion. There are currently less than 600 trillion secure Moon tokens in circulation. The logic behind burning tokens is that a similar supply should theoretically increase the price, and after Safemoon's launch, the price did increase by an astronomical amount from March 22nd to April 20th. Its price went up by nearly 20,000%, peaking at 0.000014. That initial rise is part of why crypto investors are talking about Safemoon. Additionally, if you think you've seen the best of Safemoon, then you're wrong. The project's roadmap are Q3s. The good news is that we're already in Q3 if the project expects to complete the construction of its exchange in Q3, which is more fascinating than any other part of this development. Not only will this enhance the project's profile, but it will also open up liquid RTI in ways never seen before. The project's Q3 roadmap includes completing the integration of the African market and launching the Safemoon by the end of the month. Africa is a significant crypto market, and by fully integrating this project, demand will skyrocket. Furthermore, in Q4, the project plans to launch a charity project that will accept community donations on major exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, which will have a massive impact on the project's visibility and demand. Even with how big of a deal that NFTs have become, it's reasonable to say that Q3 and Q4 could be when the Safemoon reaches its full potential. That's a good reason to have at least 30 million tokens in anticipation of the future. Predict the community behind crypto is a critical factor in its success. That's because, unlike a community with a market scene, cryptocurrencies are decent. As such, the role of ensuring that the crypto is visible and left to everyone who has a stake in this front Safemoon is doing very well for community, is so passionate that they are pushing the project both online and offline. Proved to the cryptocurrencies are decent. As such, the role of ensuring the Safemoon community has crowdfunded and erected a Safemoon billboard in Times Square. This is significant for two reasons. First, it demonstrates the community's commitment to the project. Second, it indicates that by purchasing Safemoon, you're purchasing a project with a future rather than a pump and dump. Second, this billboard has given Safemoon a lot of publicity. Before the pandemic, Times Square was one of the most visited destinations on the earth, with over 50 million people a year. With over 500,000 people passing through Times Square daily at this time, the crypto now has increased visibility in the US market, which will add to long-term demand. This is good reason to invest and have 30 million tokens in the project. With all the hype about this mean point, keep in mind that trading cryptocurrencies is a highly risky venture. And all cryptocurrencies are volatile and carry a specific level of risk. The price is dependent on the supporters, and the price is dependent on their supporters. If the users decide that a particular currency no longer has value, it will lose value immediately. You must carry out thorough research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Even after doing your research, you should only invest what you're willing to lose. For example, with the Safemoon, you can put aside some money you would otherwise spend on drinks and buy a few tokens. Then forget about them. According to Crypto Academy, Safemoon joined the market this year and has since broken many records. From its very first days in the market, Safemoon was either considered the biggest scam or the cryptocurrency with the most potential. There was no in-between. As the token began to get attention from the mainstream media, people began to understand what really stands behind the project. Safemoon has seen a crazy year, skyrocketing twice. Safemoon entered the market with a trading value of $0.00000000545, and only in a matter of some weeks, Safemoon's price hyped up as much as 200%. So fill your wallets right now, but with your own decision. Safemoon is likely to continue its uptrend in the coming years. Even though Safemoon has been going down recently, our forecast shows that it might recover shortly after the second week of October and then skyrocket. When it comes to the long run, we predict that Safemoon might hit a trading value between 81 cents and $1.12 by the end of the decade, considering the supposedly low supply and high market capitalization. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to this channel for more.